buddy of mine, a fellow named Ian Tyson out of Toronto, Canada, wrote this song. Some of you may have heard Neil Young's version of this tune. Yes, dear? Coming up right after this. Not a problem. Back in the 60s, he used to work with his wife in a group called Ian and Sylvia. And then they got a divorce, and he ended up with a rock and roll band doing a band called Great Speckled Bird. It's a good band. Do this for any folks from Canada. For strong winds that blow long, 7 seas that run high, all these things that never change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I guess I'll go on out to Alberta. The weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go to working for. Still, I wish you would change your mind if I asked you just one more time. But we've been through all that about 1,000 times before. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all these things that never change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are still going good, you could meet me if I sent you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, and not too much for you to do. And those old north winds sure blow chilly way out there. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all these things that never change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. But our good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Ian Tyson wrote that song. Thanks.